Hey, welcome back all you DIYers today. Hey, it's getting nice out and we're gonna do some stuff to the camper. So let's get started. Alright, so today I'm gonna show you a little thing we can put on our camper to save wrapping the chains up and have them laying in the dirt and everything. It's a little chain saver right here. I'll go ahead and throw a link and everything down in the description down below on where to get these. This right here is just a bracket that goes on your trailer jack, and it'll hold your safety chains, your plug, and your safety wire all on here. And the nice thing is this thing actually comes with a plug that goes over the top of your 7-pin plug-in that's right here. So let's go ahead and get this thing opened up. See what this thing all comes with. Like I said, the cover and the bracket that goes on here. And nice thing is, Phillips screws just go in here. Should make things nice, easy install. Tightens up on that really nice. Then this plug has a little safety piece on here. Oh, if I can hold on to it. It goes around so you don't lose it. Put it all the way down on here. And then this will just simply go over the top. If I can get it lined up. It does fit nice and snug, which is good. There we go. So it's not going to fall off over the winter time or anything like that. And that way, that'll set there. Take our two chains, get everything unwrapped here. Chain hook right there. Another chain on this side. Then my safety wire right out here on the outside. Just like that. That sure does save on everything being dragged down into the ground. Yeah, that should be a nice bracket on there. The only thing I think would have been nice is to have that hole just a little bit bigger so that the safety chain could actually go completely on there. But other than that, I think this thing will work out really nice. Keep things tidied up, and you go and do grass mowing and everything else, everything's kind of trimmed up and out of the way. So hey, definitely something we're going to try out here and should work out really nice for us. So like I said, if you want to, go down and check out their website. I got the links to what this piece was. And oh, look, we do have one other thing here. They also sent me this. They also sent me a chain. This is what, hold on. This is a chain hanger. As you can see right here in the description, or in the picture here, that hanger just goes over the top of the hitch and just keeps your chains from dragging on the ground. So that's pretty slick. We'll put a link down to both of those down here. I'm going to leave this here, and I'll get this hooked up when next time we go out on a trip. Otherwise, I think that'll work out pretty good. Alright, so thanks everybody for joining me. Hey, like, share, and subscribe always. And hey, we'll see you guys next time. Later.